So we're just leaving Harrods car park now, and this is where our apartment is. So it's a house here. We've got Rolls Royce over there, a Wraith, we've got a Lamborghini, and most importantly, we've got these lovely houses. We're going to see how long it actually takes to walk to Harrods. Oh, this is quite interesting. This is a new business that's opened on the corner, Dr. Russia, and it's a private doctor's surgery. These girls are always there, looking glam. Inside, very plush, but somebody's got to pay for that, and that's the patients. So main road, as we look on the other side, that takes you towards out of London, the A40 and Heathrow Airport. Opposite us there, we have Carpo, Cafe Nero, and then turning right here, we've got next block is Harrods. So literally one block away. So that's literally taken us maybe 3 minutes, and that's because I've been talking, walking, and wasting a bit of time. This road here is called Hans Place. It's a mix of residential and a few offices. Taxis are standing here as well. Let's go into Harrods. Hopefully I won't get stopped. And we're going to go into the food court as well. It's my brother here.
The fine jewelry watches room.
Okay.
Free to record yourself is personal use.
Yeah,
Any
yeah.
commercial use, you need permission, but that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you. So we're just walking through. You can see this. They've actually got something different here all the time. I'm a regular here, by the way. Also, a benefit here is if you've got a black card as part of your Harrods membership, then you get 2 hours free parking. But this is a nice little walkthrough of Harrods as well. So on the ground floor, you've got various handbags, and then if you look through here, we've got Dolce & Gabbana, we've got Mui Mui over there, Burberry, Valentino, Loewe, and behind us, through that section there, you've got a dining hall, which is got some absolutely delicious food in there. And turn right, you've got the entrance to the chocolate section, which is here, which then takes us into the food section. Let's take a look through here. I always love coming through here. So straight ahead of the chocolate section, we then go into the food hall. It's not very busy today. Weekends and coming close to Christmas, it's normally extremely packed. Oh, I love coming to this section here. So what you have here is you have a rotisserie. Cheeses, and then you have various different cuisines. So this is Indian, next door to that I always come here, they do some great pasta, and they make it for you as well, which this lady's doing. And then next to that, they've got sushi, and then some skewers of food. Yakitori style. And then some nice... Is your duck halal?
Yeah, everything halal.
Alhamdulillah, we've got some halal duck here, which is not easy to find in London, by the way. Everything here
This is basically actually both.
and then behind us we've got some organic vegetables. Oh, we have some fresh meats over here. Poisson, pheasant, partridge, some lamb, rabbit, some fresh salmon. And look at this fish. Super, super fresh. Halibut, whole salmon, king tiger prawns. Imagine those, just really nice with some oyster and garlic sauce. Some mussels, oysters. And then on the other side here they have some ready-made meals. Not bad value actually, £9. I think that's not bad, it's quite good. Teriyaki salmon. Okay, let's quickly go over here. And next door they have the bakery, where they have some nice croissants, and then they have a really nice coffee bar in the centre, where there's always a queue, but today there isn't. So here's your croissants, and then that's the coffee section there. Normally there's a waiting list here. These ladies are just being seated. It's a great melting or meeting spot for just to be seen, to be honest. Quite a nice experience. And they have some cakes, croissants. Their cakes are actually very, very nice. Families here from all over the world, international families. Have a great tea and biscuits section over here, and here's some of the cakes that are here.
This coffee espresso martini
Some fresh breads. Let's go towards one of the exits, and the exit that I'm going to take you out of leads onto a side street where the station is for Harrods, or one of the stations is for Knightsbridge with the Harrods exit. And as soon as we exit, it's a public walkway, and they've opened up some very nice coffee shops. And it's just a nice vibe, so let me know what you think of it. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at this cutie. So ground floor, normally makeup, handbags, expensive brands, high rents, and as you go up it gets cheaper and cheaper in terms of the square footage of the rent that these businesses charge, these brands. So here we go, Hans Crescent. Thank you, Bhaiya. Assalamu alaikum. So that's a quick walk of Knightsbridge, Harrods. Hope you've enjoyed it.